Ooh la la! Wow! Amazing!
So, yon. And then,
Napapascinate ako. Gusto natin idikit na lang natin yung mic mo para hindi matanggal. Sorry okay. Okay. Game. Then what's next? Nako, exhibition na to. Gusto ko matry ito mamaya. Off-cam.
okay.
Oh! Wow! Fascinating! Ooh! It takes a lot of control.
Yeah. That is what we call a hummingbird pose.
Hummingbird pose.
Yeah.
Ay, gusto ko yung mga bird.
Yeah.
Okay.
So for now, siguro, very sad to say,
Yun na
lang
yun.
yung pwede ko munang i-ano sa
Okay.
inyo.
Guys, pwede
But-
ba natin i-reveal sa kanila yung age nyo?
Yeah, no problem.
Ano na
Everybody
pang
knows
age nyo?
my
How,
age.
how young are you?
Yeah, I'm 60 and going 61 next week.
Hoy!
Yeah,
Birthday
it's gonna be
episode
my
nyo nga pala to,
birthday.
guys, ha?
My birthday will be
nyo
on the
to.
28th of
Advance
November.
happy birthday.
Yeah, thank you, Abel.
Sa Friday na, on
Yeah,
28,
it will
guys.
be on Friday, yeah.
Yeah, i-showing natin to sa kanyang birthday.
And
This
thank
will
you
be
for this
her-
opportunity
Yeah.
because this is kinda different na
Yes.
ginawa ko for
Celebrating
my
your birthday.
Yeah, it is.
On
That's
the
why
vlog.
nag-agree ako sa'yo.
Yeah.
Kahit na 150 lang yung bayad doon.
Guys, ang bayad lang namin dito pagkain.
Thank you
Okay.
lang. No problem.
Okay.
Abel
Pero
is
paano po ba
a
to?
good person.
Ano yung
so-
pinaka parang ano nito?
Sinali nila ako sa tag-o-war. Malupet,
Ganun
di
talaga.
ba?
Oh,
Fun
oh.
games. Kasi alam naman nila na medyo malakas ang lola. Ang ginagawa ko lang, ang role ko doon is, andyan yung mga sumo wrestlers. Andun ako sa dulo, nakatali yung bewang ko. And then, there's a laundry basket over there. Yung initial salvo ng MBPO. And you need to shoot yung buko.
May ganung
May
effect.
buko, yeah. May buko
Okay.
kang hawak, isushoot mo yon. And
Aha.
once na na-shoot mo siya, no matter what, you're gonna win.
Ooh!
Yeah, you're the winner.
Ang galing!
And then I did that.
Wow! Accomplishment!
Yeah, I was able to do it.
Paano kaya ngayon? Magagawa
I
niyo
took
pa
the
kaya
risk.
yun?
I think so.
Hmm.
I'm confident.
Sana sa pag senior citizen na ako,
Kasi-
guys, ganito pa rin ako ka-active.
Pag nakita mo, Abel, yung picture. And then, the second entry ko, sinali nila ako ngayon doon sa, fruit relay.
Fruit relay! What kind of fruit?
Iba-iba yung hawak
Calamansi?
namin.